Hi, my name is Onyude. I am Nigerian. I'm first generation. The great thing about cooking and how it relates to my family is that it was always a tool to bring us together. I'm one of 5, and no matter where we were in the house, when it was dinner time, we came together. I'm really grateful that I had my mom as a source of inspiration. She told me I wasn't yet complete unless I knew how to cook. So I made sure to learn. One day, my mom was cooking in the kitchen, and I ran in there because my mom's an amazing cook, and I said, "What are you cooking?" And she laughed and said, "I don't know." I didn't get it at the time. I was like, "What do you mean I don't know?" She said, "I don't know." She just started grabbing things, throwing them in the pot. I'm like, "Wait, what are you cooking? I've never seen you use potatoes like this. I've never seen you use vegetables like this. What are you cooking?" She says, "I don't know." And then I saw her bring African spice that you can't get in the United States. And I was like, okay, whatever it is, I know it's gonna be good, because she only brings this spice out, you know, on special occasions. When she finished, it was just the most delicious, wonderful experience. And it was before I left to college. I was like, "Can you show me how to make that?" And she said, "I don't know." But the great thing about this recipe was it was super simple to make. You only needed a couple of ingredients. What I decided to do was kind of honor my mom and everything she had taught me about how food can bring people together and really make people feel valued and at home. I decided to start little Sunday dinners. I started by just grabbing any ingredients I could get my hands on. People started bringing what they had, and we felt like home. And that was something I was very, very fortunate to be able to create in that space. That's tasty.
Oh, yes!